Is Python debugging with print statements bad? Have you ever found yourself stuck trying to figure out why your Python code isn't working? Debugging can be a real challenge, and many programmers wonder if using print statements is a good approach. Let's break this down together. Using print statements for debugging in Python is a common practice. It is a straightforward method that helps you see what is happening in your code. By placing print statements at key points, you can check the values of variables and understand the flow of your program. This can be especially helpful for beginners or when working on smaller scripts. However, there are some drawbacks to this method. One major issue is cluttered output. If you use too many print statements, your console can become overwhelmed with information. This makes it difficult to find the specific details you need. Another downside is the manual management of these print statements. You have to remember to add them in and later remove or comment them out. This can be tedious and may lead to mistakes if you forget to clean up your code. Print statements also provide limited context. They show you values at specific moments but do not give you the full picture. For instance, they do not show call stacks or error traces, which can be essential for understanding what went wrong. Additionally, finding bugs can become a tedious process. You may need to add many print statements and run your code multiple times to narrow down the issue. This can slow you down, especially in larger projects. To use print debugging effectively, there are some best practices you can follow. First, include descriptive messages with each print statement to clarify what you are displaying. Using prefixes like debug or error can help categorize your output, making it easier to read. You can also control printing with a debug mode flag. This way, you can avoid clutter during normal runs of your program. Focus on printing key variables and critical points rather than everything at once. While print debugging is a helpful tool for learning and quick checks, there are more advanced options for larger projects. Python has a built-in debugger that allows you to step through your code interactively. This lets you inspect variables and control the flow of execution without changing your code. Logging modules are another great alternative. They provide configurable output that can be turned on or off without modifying your code. Exception handling with traceback printing offers detailed error context that goes beyond simple print statements. In summary, print debugging is a practical technique for teaching and simple debugging tasks. It is not bad in itself but should be complemented or replaced by more powerful debugging tools as your projects grow. Using print statements wisely, along with other debugging methods, will help you master the essentials of Python programming and error handling.